Protecting your brand with a trademark is a critical business investment, but understanding the true costs involved can be challenging. From attorney fees to filing costs and long-term maintenance expenses, trademark registration involves multiple financial considerations that business owners need to plan for. Trademark attorney costs typically range from $1,000 to $2,000 for basic registration services. This covers the standard application process, but if disputes arise, expect to pay an additional $300 to $400 per hour for legal representation. When registering a trademark, you'll encounter several types of expenses. First, there are the official USPTO filing fees, which range from $225 to $400 per class of goods or services. The exact amount depends on your filing method and whether you select from the USPTO's preset list of goods and services. For example, if you want to register a trademark for both jewelry and clothing, you would need to file in two separate classes, doubling your filing fees to $550. These fees are paid directly to the USPTO and are non-refundable, even if you later decide to remove classes from your application. Several factors influence what your trademark attorney will charge. More experienced attorneys typically command higher fees, but bring valuable expertise to complex cases. The scope of services also varies widely. Some attorneys only handle the basic filing, while others provide comprehensive services, including thorough trademark searches, responses to USPTO inquiries, and post-registration maintenance. The complexity of your trademark itself affects costs too. If your mark includes a logo, multiple classifications, or unique wording, additional legal review may be required. Marks that might face opposition from existing trademark holders will also require more extensive legal work. Beyond the initial application, additional fees often arise during the registration process. If you file based on intent to use the trademark rather than actual use, you'll need to submit a statement of use later, which costs $100 per class. If the USPTO issues an office action refusing your application, responding properly can cost between $200 and $2,000 in attorney fees, depending on the complexity of the issues raised. Opposition proceedings, where third parties challenge your trademark, can cost $5,000 or more to resolve. Many attorneys offer flat fee arrangements for trademark filings, typically ranging from $300 to $1,000 per application. However, it's crucial to understand exactly what services are included in this flat fee. Does it cover just the application preparation, or does it also include responding to USPTO inquiries, conducting thorough trademark searches, and advising on your overall trademark strategy? Even after your trademark is registered, ongoing maintenance costs apply. Between the 5th and 6th year after registration, you must file a declaration of continued use, which costs $100 per class. Every 10 years, you'll need to renew your trademark at a cost of $500 per class. For additional protection, a declaration of incontestability can be filed after 5 years of continuous use, costing $200 per class. When deciding how to file your trademark, you have three main options. Filing yourself directly with the USPTO is the least expensive upfront, costing as little as $225. Using an online legal service costs around $500 and includes basic application preparation and filing. Hiring a trademark attorney is the most expensive option at $1,500 to $2,000, but provides personalized guidance and comprehensive services. While the do-it-yourself approach might seem cost-effective initially, it comes with significant risks. Over 50% of trademark applications are rejected each year, often due to improper filing or incomplete applications. Common mistakes include choosing the wrong trademark classification, failing to prove proper use in commerce, and not conducting adequate searches for similar existing marks. If your DIY application is rejected, hiring an attorney to fix the issues will likely cost more than if you had used an attorney from the start. You'll face additional USPTO fees, standard attorney fees, and extra charges for correcting the previous application, potentially adding up to thousands of dollars in unnecessary expenses. For businesses planning international expansion, additional costs apply. Filing under the Madrid Protocol for International Protection ranges from $500 to $1,500 per country. European Union trademark registration covers all 27 EU member states for approximately $900. Each country has unique requirements, making international trademark protection particularly complex. Online legal services offer a middle ground on cost, but they cannot provide legal advice or counsel on proper trademark registration. They typically perform only basic trademark searches and cannot offer the strategic guidance that might prevent application rejection. A qualified trademark attorney brings valuable expertise to the process. They can conduct comprehensive searches across federal, state, and common law trademarks to identify potential conflicts. They can assess the strength of your proposed mark and suggest modifications to improve its chances of approval. Most importantly, they understand what USPTO examining attorneys look for when reviewing applications. While trademark registration involves significant costs, it's important to view these expenses as an investment in your brand's protection. A properly registered trademark prevents others from using similar marks that could confuse consumers and dilute your brand value. The costs of addressing trademark infringement after it occurs are typically much higher than proper registration in the first place. When budgeting for trademark protection, consider not just the immediate filing fees, but the potential long-term costs of maintenance, renewal, and possible legal defense. With proper planning and professional guidance, you can secure strong trademark protection that grows in value alongside your business.